As the strikers dug out, not a very happy lot. What can they do? They've done quite well in this season so far. But it's the Bulldozers who are on top at this stage. Mr. Ashok Kenny, the owner of Bulldozers, and Mr. Murthy, one of the CCL directors, started off in a very good fashion in this season too. They beat Bengal Tigers by a whopping margin. But then the fortunes have fluctuated for the Bulldozers. But it seems that they have reinvented, especially the batting in this game.
Oh, deft touch by Rajiv Pillai. And it's time to pay back. Appreciated by one and all. Swing out there, and he's just helped it on its way. It's got everything right. The action is correct from Karthik. Just has to get the direction right.
And that happens because his head falls. Otherwise the release is quite good. He gets the ball to move in there. Off this deck also it deviates at times. He's sharp. Yeah, it has to be the head.
It's always the head, isn't it? Oh, but to be honest, he's got a bustling action. He gets into the delivery stride quite well. Also, bowls it on the seam. That's the reason we have seen some swing in the air. The thing is, if he can get his direction right, as Sabha rightly said, his head is falling at his delivery stride.
Hits it well, Polly. They're so agile. The intensity is there on the field from Bulldozers, and why not? They've put up that huge score courtesy Rajiv's brilliant knock of 154 of only 63 deliveries. That was the first century of CCL, and what a knock this has been from Rajiv. He set the stadium alight with some amazing fireworks. Hits it at the non-striker's end. He'll get a single, Rajiv. A single's not going to hurt the Bulldozers. They need to get the big shots going.
This time it was played nicely just behind the bowler. They set off for one run, but there was an overthrow, which resulted into 2. But they look to me a very athletic side, very physically fit. Karnataka Bulldozers, when it came into bat, they were running the singles, the twos, also hitting some lusty shots. And now in the field, they're right on the mark. They seem to be a very physically fit side.
That's a good shot from Rajiv. He didn't connect it quite well. The intention was correct from him. So after 3, it's 14 for 1, the strikers.